What is going on, guys? This is my handbrake tutorial for you today, and we're going to be converting files with handbrake. Handbrake is a video file converter, converts to different video files. Let's get it started. I use Microsoft Clipchamp to make my videos. They use MP4 files, but I like to shrink my file size by converting it to an MKV file, basically. MKV file sizes are smaller and they're better for HD video and audio. We're going to be doing that today. I'm going to show you the proper way to do it. Let's get it started. So first of all, I have my Friday Night Lights scene here. As you can see, it's 159 megabytes big. 159 megabytes big, basically. Pretty sizable. It's 1 minute and 3 seconds long. And it's an MP4 file. We're going to convert it to an MKV file. So open Handbrake. We're going to open File. Well, you can do a folder bat scan. Folder full of videos, but there's problems with it. I'll explain it in a bit. You're going to go to File, Open File. You're going to select your movie. This is the Friday Night Lights scene I have. We're going to select that. Then you're going to go to Dimensions. Then you're going to go to Cropping. Click on Cropping. Then you're going to select None. You want that raw video, no cropping. That's how it's properly done. Now, we're going to, if you try to do a folder bat scan and try to do all of them. If you try to go to Dimensions and select None on cropping, it'll only do that for one video. The rest of them will be cropped. That's the problem. I recommend they fix that. It's a bug. Or I'm not sure if it's a bug. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's a bug, guys. They should fix that. They should have it so all videos don't get cropped, basically, because you don't want cropping on any of your videos, basically. All your videos won't get cropped. They should make it that way. That's my little bug report sort of thing. You're going to go to Format. You're going to select MKV. Select MKV under the Format section here. And then you're going to go to Start Encode. Oh, I already have this video, guys, but we're going to do a test. We're going to rename it something else. We're going to call it Test. Then we're going to Start Encode. I already had it there. Sorry about that, guys, but we're going to start encode. We're going to rename it something else so it doesn't show that message. I have a gaming laptop, so it's pretty fast. 16 gigabytes of VRAM and 2.70 gigahertz CPU. The VRAM, your graphics card, your VRAM is your graphics card. It's responsible for holding graphics memory. The size of the graphics, basically. The file sizes of the graphics. It's used for holding graphics memory. It's used for holding graphics, basically. And your CPU is responsible for your frames per second. Your frames per second. It's exactly, if you're running like me, a gaming laptop, you'll be doing about 150 frames per second. Frames per second is exactly like it says. If you're doing 150 frames per second, that's 150 pictures in a second to get a moving picture, to get a video, basically. 150 pictures in a second to get a video, to get a moving picture. The more frames, the smoother it is, as you could know, as you would see. More frames per second, the smoother it is. That's my explanation of it. Anyway, let's get back to it. I'm using a gaming laptop, so it's pretty fast conversion. If you're doing work like me, I recommend getting a gaming laptop. Let's see the result. Close. Go to the folder. It's usually the default folder of Handbrake is in the videos file, videos thing here. Now, as you can see, it's 43.4 megabytes big. A lot smaller than the original file size. I like my file sizes to be small like that. 43.4 megabytes big. It's 1,000 megabytes to get a gigabyte, guys. 1,000 megabytes to get a gigabyte. Now it's at 43.4 megabytes. Very nice for YouTube, guys. Anyway, that's my handbrake tutorial for you today. That's how you properly do handbrake for smaller file sizes, MKV file sizes. That's it, guys. That's all you do.